my beautiful friends, this is Suany. Welcome back to my darling little home. Today I'm sharing with you guys how I made this Christmas sign arrangement. And the first thing we're gonna need is this wood pine tree from Dollar Tree. And I'm using this Waverly wax in antique to stain it. You're gonna need a mini wood crate. I got this one from Michael's. It was $1 and I stained it the same color as the tree. Floral foam from Dollar Tree. Christmas card from Dollar Tree. Mod Podge. Scissors, cutting pliers, glue gun, wood craft stick, a painting brush, a Christmas floral pick or picks from Dollar Tree. I got this one from Hobby Lobby last year. Frosted berries and extra pieces of pine from a pine pick. Eucalyptus stems. I'm gonna start by cutting my Christmas card to fit my tree. I'm tracing it with a pencil. I'm using Mod Podge to glue my card to the tree. I'm using the brush to spread the Mod Podge. I'm also sealing my image by adding Mod Podge on top. With a piece of sandpaper, I'm sanding the edges of the card to distress the edges. I'm gluing the craft stick to the back of my tree. I'm cutting the floral foam to fit the mini crate. Then I stick the pine tree in the floral foam and I'm adding a Christmas floral pick. I'm filling the empty spaces with pine pieces. I'm adding berries and eucalyptus stems. Then I decided to make a little bow to put on top of my tree. And I added a little pine cone to the middle of my bow. I did not show you guys this, but I added a piece of burlap to my floral foam so you guys could not see it through the crate. And now my arrangement is ready. I hope you guys like it. I love how it turned out.